is Ogunç from Automechanika company. We are Turkey distributor of Jrone. We work with Jrone maybe more than 15 years. We love Jrone products and Jrone company. They have very good product range, very reliable company and good quality products. We are very happy to work with them. Thanks for everything.
We are very happy to be here. We made a long trip to get to China. For us it's very difficult to get in here, but we are very happy to share with you. For us it's a great honor to be part of this ceremony, and we are very glad to be participator of this party. And also we are very happy to be part of the Jrone family, because we share that feeling. We are part of that because we put a little stone to make all this stuff come true. So thank you for the Jrone family, and for us it's a great pleasure to share with you this party. Thank you.